Mostly cloudy temperatures and temperatures just right for this time of the year. Thank you for tuning into your Thursday evening weathercast. Temperatures not too bad in those upper 20s to around 30 degrees this afternoon. 28 degrees in Oscoda, 27 in Alpena, 30 in Onaway and in Rogers City. And the reason temperatures have warmed up an extra couple degrees from where they were yesterday is because we continue to deal with that southwesterly wind. A little bit blustery over towards the southeast. 15 from Tawas all the way to Harrisville, lighter towards the north, 8 in Onaway, 14 in West Branch. But that southwesterly flow was bringing in that warmer tropical air here towards the sunrise side. And we're going to continue to see those temperatures elevating themselves above freezing as we head towards Friday, but also into Saturday. And that's going to create a little bit of problems here throughout northeast Michigan, because if you remember earlier this week, we dealt with a good amount of snow, especially along the shore. So that snow depth, that snow that we have built up over the last couple of weeks, it's going to create some problems as those temperatures are going to be above freezing during the daytime hours. That's going to create for some wet puddles on the roads. But then at night, as those temperatures descend below 32 degrees, that's going to create a transparent glaze of ice on those roads. So really make sure to slow down. Then we're going to add another batch of can of worms here when it comes to the rain that we get towards the end of the weekend and into Monday. That's going to add to the snow melt. That's going to create even larger puddles. And when those temperatures fall below freezing by the time we get towards Tuesday and Wednesday, that's going to create for some additional black ice concerns. So the problem will be this time around compared to what we had last week. Is last week, if you remember, we had temperatures above freezing for at least a good 24 to 36 hours. This time around, we're going to have temperatures above freezing in the daytime and then going below freezing at night. So it's going to be a little bit of a seesaw over the next couple of days until temperatures fall completely below freezing by the middle of next week. So some problems on those roads. And then even today, we could even have a small issue on those roads because we could have that small 10% chance of a little bit of a freezing drizzle. So that's going to create for some slick roads if it does happen throughout northeast Michigan with the very weak disturbance here that's trying to slide through the state. But a lot of its moisture has been drained through. So that's why we're only going to keep a 10% chance for this afternoon and going into this early evening. But better conditions for tomorrow and into Saturday as that warmer air continues to pump its way towards us. Temperatures will rise into those lower 40s for Saturday. But really go ahead and enjoy the outdoors on Friday and Saturday. Just watch out at night. By Sunday, though, quite a different ballgame. We introduced a new storm coming in from the west, and this is really going to increase our chances of when it comes to precip. Now, the thing about precip is we're still a little too early to find out if it's going to be rain or snow or both. By the time we head towards Sunday, though, the models are starting to show that it's going to take a little bit longer than thought to make its way here on Sunday. So we might keep Sunday cloudy, maybe a 20% chance of some precip, maybe very late into the afternoon, going into the evening. But with those temperatures falling below 32 degrees Sunday night, we could be dealing with a wintry mix early on and then some snow showers as we wake up Monday morning. But then by Monday morning, temperatures are expected to rise. That snow will turn over into rain. Then temperatures will descend below freezing as we go into Monday night. That's going to go from rain going back into snow. And then into Tuesday, once that cold air is in place, we could be dealing with a couple of lingering snow showers. So that's somewhat of a preview of the timeline that could be happening here throughout northeast Michigan between Sunday through Tuesday. The only problem right now is the track of the storm. If the track of the storm goes further west or towards the east, that could determine how much snow or rain we receive throughout the sunrise side between Sunday night all the way through Tuesday. So still a lot of details to be sorted out when it comes to Sunday through Tuesday, but I have more information about that as we go into the weekend and into early next week as well. So for the hour by hour, those temperatures, though, still going to be milder than what they were the last couple of nights. Look at that, 21 degrees. We'll have mostly cloudy skies for the majority of the night, maybe a little bit of those clouds beginning to thin as we head towards sunrise on Friday. By tomorrow afternoon, up to 37 degrees, sunset at 5:23 p.m. And then here's Saturday, 42 degrees. So Saturday's looking to be a great day out there. Sunday, that's still the big question mark of when the precip arrives and what it will be. Then on Monday, during the daytime hours, most likely will be rain, but in the morning we could be dealing with that rain-snow mix. And then by Tuesday, as those temperatures begin to fall, changing over completely into snow.